Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable or turn off bookmark bars in Microsoft Edge. Let's say for one reason or the other you do not want to use the bookmark anymore, you don't want to be seeing it anymore. For example, you don't want to see it anymore. So what do? There are two easy steps. The first thing you do is you right click on it, on any one of them there, and then you can see the option for hide favorites button from toolbar. This one option, and this is to show it. So this is hide favorite button from toolbar. You can simply turn this off, click on it like this, or you can use show favorite bar by tap and choose never or only on new feed. Any of these two options to change it. But the best one is just choose never if you totally want to turn off bookmark bar. But if you want to enable it, you leave it on always, or you can choose only on new tabs. Then you can also use the shortcut, which is Ctrl Shift and B. Press on the three keys on your keyboard and to do the same thing. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. So that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.